Seismic Design Project Assignment for Skyfield Lab online course by Sri Krishnan. Now we will be designing for seismic design resistant building. For that we will be going to the load pattern. Now for adding the seismic load. Before that unlock the building by pressing OK on the lock button. Then go to the define and go to the load pattern and type the load as a seismic, because we are designing a seismic resistant building. Type the load type as a seismic, which will be selecting by drop down menu, and change the IS code to IS 1893 and press on add new load, and then click on modify shell as lateral load. On that we will be changing the we will be applying the load in the X and Y, and then we will be selecting the zone factor from the IS code 1893. Scroll down, we will be getting a zone map for the seismic resistant building. Since I am constructing a building in the Tanjavur, I will be considering the blue zone. For blue zone it comes under zone 2. For zone 2 the zone factor will be 0.1. Go to ETAP software and type the zone factor as a 0.1. And the soil type will be considered in the IS code. Like I am constructing the soil type 2, it is a medium soil. For change the go to ETAP software and change the soil type as a type 2. And the importance factor will be considered from the IS code book 1893. Go to the table 6. The importance factor will be according to the building type. Since we are constructing a residential building, it comes under the other type. For other buildings, the importance factors will be 1. Change the importance factor to 1, and now we will be recognizing the response factor. Response factor will be according to the material type. Like we are using ordinary reinforcement, we will be considering the response factor as a 3. Type the response factor as a 3 in the dialog box and press OK. By pressing OK, press OK again since the seismic load has been added. After that we will be adding the load combination. Go to define, click on load combination. Since there is no anything, click the select as a default and press OK again. After that we added all the load combination in the building. Now we will be running the analysis in the building. For that, go to analysis, click show load cases. On that the wind load we will not be considering, since we are considering only seismic load. Click on that and click on show don't run and run option. Click on run now. Then the software will be automatically running the analysis in the building. Within a minute we will be getting the result of the analysis. Analysis has been done in this building. Now we will be running a design check. For that, go to design, go to go to concrete frame design, and then just select view preference. After that we will be starting a design check by clicking shift F6. We will be designing this building. If the all members passed, it will be showing no notification will be coming. If we have to check the all members has to be plus. For that, to click in the all verify all members are passed. Let the design check is to be completed. After that we will be checking all the members has to be passed or not. For that, since my computer is little bit slow, it will be generating slowly. Sorry for that. Now design check has been completed. Now we will be generating checking the all members are verified. Go to concrete frame design, click on the verify all members are passed or not. Notification came that all the concrete members has been passed. Press on OK. Now we will be generating a report for that. For that we have to go to the in the left dialog box, there will report tab will be there. Click on the project report. Now the project report will be generating. After generating the project report, the entire seismic resistant building has been designed. Down part we can see the how much our result has been generated. After that, within a second we will be getting the project report. Since it is a evaluation version, we can't print the document. Now also we can't do the detailing also, because there is a separate software for CSI detailing. We can see all the reports for the reinforcement detailing, load. Thank you for SkyFi Lab.